Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat exactly after me and watch the matrix bend in your favor. Because you and I, we live in illusion. This place isn't real. Whatever is going on in your 3D world is a mere reflection of the consciousness behind it. And so if I can help you shift your consciousness from where it is now in your today world over to your desired world, everything begins to shift. I've been doing this for over 10 years, worked with over 3,000 clients. I've earned tons of awards and done amazing things with this. I've been hypnotized for success. I've been brainwashed for success, and this stuff works. But the thing about it is you can't hope this is going to work out. No wishful manifesting practice. You got to fully accept what we're about to say. Now, before we get into it, make sure you're following me and bookmark and save this video for later so you can come back to video and let us know the amazing things that unfold. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here in this moment. And now repeat exactly after me. My 3D world is a mirror. I'm entering a new portal. By the way, this next one might be hard to say, but say it anyways. I give up on the 3D plane. I give up control. I give up the illusion. Instead, I have total faith in a higher place. I understand now that the higher place is what matters. Whoa, something amazing just happened to me. I had a major breakthrough and now remember who I really am. Everything I'm saying out loud is a memory, not the future. And so it is. Now, stick with me here. I'm about to say some words that are going to make no sense to you. You don't need to say these out loud. Allow them to jumble up your mind. Before we do, go ahead and comment below the word codes. I'll send you my step-by-step full system on how to brainwash yourself for success, have soul-led manifesting, and actually heal the wounds that have been keeping you trapped. Just make sure you check your DMs after this and click the link. If you're watching on YouTube, you're going to have to go to the description because I can't send you a DM there. Now, just listen to the words, do nothing about them. Twist, shift, recode. What? Disoriented, oriented, disoriented, oriented. Spiraling up, twist, spiraling up. Yep. What? Yes. I know that was kind of crazy, all these words, but what it's doing to you is disorienting your world to reorient to the new world. Share the love, throw a follow, share and like. Ready for real change? We go deep into healing. We go deep into reality shifting so you can get a permanent transformation. Join Soul School now. Link in the video description.